guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, so on today's video we're gonna be looking on Sky's pups. So this morning we caught them playing, so we say let's go ahead and do a video to share with the general public, which is you guys on YouTube. Now guys, before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you for all your love and support. Thank you for joining the channel. I pray that you learned something new or something to enhance you. Now guys, as I was saying earlier, we're looking on Sky Pups as they play today. So there's not much to say rather than just watch the pups them at work. Enjoy the video. I'll talk to you afterwards. So guys, these pups, they're actually 2 weeks old. They're still 2 weeks old. They should be 3 weeks within the week, and then so that means it is actually this week that we're carrying them to the vet for them to get their worm out. So yes guys, we're spending on them, we're updating them, we're keeping them clean and well checked. So yeah, we're gonna carry them to the vet soon, and from there he will go ahead and worm them out. Alright guys, love you and later. This far in the video, just want to say thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. And if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead to do so. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified each time a video is dropped. Guys, just thank you for all that you have done. We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video about Sky Pups and how they were playing. So now when we hear Jamaican term, you love play like puppy, we can see where it comes from. Alright guys, that's it from me. Like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye, adios.